Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I'm actually right now in Plateau State, Jos Nigeria, and it's been a while. I'm here, so I'm going to be taking you first of all in this video, showing you some places about Jos, my trip, and my stay in here. I'm going to a farm, so if you like farms, maybe you'll be interested in watching this video, and then somewhere along the day I will be going to a workspace to finish my work for the day. That's set aside for what's to expect in the vlog. Expect good scenery, and also just a little catching up on so like little life update. What have I been doing? The last time I posted a video, I believe I was in Budapest. What am I doing in Jos? So that's what the video will be all about. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Today, but I did this thing. There's the one like showing me around. It came for our Nigerian passports. If you're Nigerian, you know the hassle to get passports. So thank God we've been able to figure that out here. And let me start with the life update. So I'm back home for as long can be, working on some projects, got new opportunities, working on them, and some of these things I have to do requires that I have to travel out of this country, in and out. Sensing that I'll soon be married. That's a good part of the life of the team. What do you think?
Oh, I'm excited, super excited. Yeah, for him. Oh, but I'm not happy because I might not be around for the wedding.
It's true.
Yeah.
You have to fly back in no matter what. I'm sorry.
Depends, make the wedding, give it some time.
I can't give my wedding some time. I'm sorry. So, getting married soon. But before then, I want to do some traveling around, see the world. Oh, the road there, man.
That's okay.
You want to ask me implicating questions inside my vlog?
No, that's on your vlog. That's why I wrote it. I was like,
Okay, please don't ask me such
let's
questions.
calm down.
Yeah.
Calm down.
So that's it. I want to travel as well. Yeah, so that's why I need my passport. I have to travel before just continuing life in such way. Then, so I got an opportunity actually, so to also do some certain things. So I need the passport ASAP. So what have you missed? You have missed my traveling vlog from Budapest, my last days. Why did I leave? What did I come to Nigeria to do? It was not so much of a secret. I need to come home. Been a while. I was supposed to be home right now, with or without the war in Ukraine. So this by schedule, I'm home. I had to attend my dad's 1-year memorial service. I wouldn't put that clip here. Maybe I will show you some vlogs about home as well. So that's a little bit catch up. I got a new opportunity, a new something that's like, kind of something I like to do. So that's giving me more time, flexible time to enjoy myself. About medicine, Dr. Tim too. People like Dr. Tim wants to leave clinical medicine. Who I be? Like, I'm sorry. But anyways, on this channel, I'm a strong advocate for practicing the medicine that you love. It doesn't have to be the traditional, like, clinical medicine. Medicine is so broad, so enjoyable that you can look for what you want. So I'm still figuring myself out as it comes to medicine. I'm not leaving medicine like in that sense. We'll make it work. So more videos. I did film a video as well. Dr. Fidelis. I think once I'm done editing that video, it's also out. So all this ramble set aside, let's go straight into the day. Let me take you around some places in Jos. First thing first, Jos is cold. I didn't come prepared, so we're going to a boutique. I'm going to try to get a sweater, something warm.
The Rock, doing the Rock Johnson.
It's blue.
You guys are next time.
No, it won't take time. So are you buying the show?
No.
Yes.
My friend, Dr. Edward.
So, welcome to the most beautiful farm in Jos State. I'm here with this boy. I took him on some bougie trip, you know. I took him on some bougie trip, you know, that kind of like let's go out and see the countryside, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, the way to maximize the space. So we're going to the goats.
The goat, you don't run somewhere and I find this.
For fishes? Food. Oh,
Frozen meat.
that's nice. You're like, what are you doing here? So, come.
They are bigger than this one. Each one.
Yeah, I just finished from the farm. I was just telling Tim on how that farm would have been a nice spot for a date, you know, with your wife, you know, just take her out, or your wife to be, you take her out to the farm, you see cute animals, you go hiking, then they serve everything fresh, you know.
Freshly squeezed
Orange, the milk will be just freshly skimmed, eggs, everything. You know, just have breakfast. There'll be that hot little side, you know. Man, you need to make plenty money so that all these things will not just be talk. Real life. Make it happen. So, team as usual, they carry me waka, but after then, they carry me go where I don't know. After then, I'll go. After then, I'll go and walk. Oh, I have to make money, please.
Don't worry. So when people come through you, then will I?
No, that's nice. Hello. You walk here. Timothy, you don't. Why are you doing like as if you are marketing for them?
Vlogger. So you're going to go virtual now. You see?
So just go to the workspace in Jos. It's called Go Virtual. Let's check it out. You can just come here if you want to work. You can just. Hey, don't leave me. God is good all the time. Put a song of praise in my mouth to sing. God is good. God is good all the time. God is good. So I actually did it somewhere like a conference room. Yeah, lighting is not so good here. And now it's almost end of the workday. Still have like 2 hours to go, but I'm deciding to go to church. I could work with my phone if maybe that something comes up. And I'm going to Pastor Chintok Church. I have been watching him online and following his teachings on YouTube. And someone just suggested that, why don't you just try this out? And I'm like, yeah, of course. So, see you later. Probably to end the vlog. Yeah, bye. So I'm at God Life Assembly. So this is Bible study, right? God Life Assembly and Jos. That's a Chintok's church.
Yes, 866.
Worthy of our praise. Oh. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Actually at the workspace the day after. Today I'm in a different space. Thank God we're able to conclude the reason why we're in Jos. We were able to get the renewal done and we're traveling tomorrow. So I have a whole day of work to do, research as well as tidying my work decks, everything in it, and hopefully the rest of the day will be kind and nice to me. So you have a lovely day and take care of yourself. I pray for more blessings and the goodness of God upon your life. And until the next video, have a wonderful day. Bye.